Now, question 4. Ruxar painted the outside of a cabinet of measure 1 meter, 2 meter multiplied by 1.5 meter, that is length, breadth and height. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? So this is the cabinet that is of cuboidal shape because we have been given is length, breadth and height. So surface area that is painted is all the surface area is painted except the bottom. So in this case, two things that we can do is to find out the surface area is first is by finding out the total surface area, which will also include the bottom also. And then what we have to do is we have to subtract the surface area of bottom with the total surface area, which will give us the surface area of the painted, which is what is painted. Or else one more thing that you can do is just finding out first the lateral surface area of this cuboidal box. Lateral surface will not include top and bottom, right? So we will get the lateral surface area of this particular area, and then we have to find out the surface area of this top portion will be length into breadth. Then if we add both the areas, then we can get the surface area of the painted cabinet, right? So there are two methods: either find out the total surface area and then subtract the bottom surface area, or else find out the lateral surface area and then add the top surface area of the top portion. So for this I am doing total. First I will find out the total surface area of this cabinet and then I will subtract the bottom surface area. So first of all, what are the measurements that are given? Length, breadth and height. Length is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter and height is 1.5 meter. Now total surface area of this cabinet, this is a cuboidal shaped cabinet. So what is the formula of a cuboid, total surface area of cuboid? That is 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height length into height. So we will put the formula values here. Length into breadth means 2 multiplied by 1 plus breadth into height 1 multiplied by 1.5 plus height into length, that is 2 multiplied by 1.5. So here we will get 2 multiplied by 2 is 2 plus 1.5 plus 2 multiplied by 1.5 is 3. So when we add 2 plus 1.5 plus 3, we will get 6.5. 2 multiplied by 6.5 means 13, and all the units are in meters, so it will be in meter square. So this is the total surface area along with top and bottom. Now we know that bottom is not painted, so we have to subtract the surface area of the bottom. So bottom is not painted, so area of the bottom will be length into breadth. So length is 2 and breadth is 1 meter. 2 multiplied by 1, that will give us 2 meter square. 2 meter square is the surface area of the bottom. Now we have to subtract it with the total surface area. So painted surface area will be the total surface area minus the surface area of the bottom, that is 2. That will give us 11 meter square. So this is the total area, surface area of the cabinet which is being painted, 11 meter square. Question 5th. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. So cuboidal hall he is painting, and same way like we have seen in earlier example, the walls and ceiling are being painted and bottom is not painted. So from each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. From each can, 100 meter square area is painted. So how many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So again, first we have to find out the total surface area. So it will also include the bottom. And here as it is told that only the walls and the ceiling are painted, bottom is not painted. So we will find out the bottom surface area and then subtract it with, we will subtract total with this bottom surface area. Then we will get the a surface area which is being painted. Then what we have been asked is 100 meter square, one can completes 100 meter square. So we will get, once we will get the total area of the painted, then we can find out the number of cans by dividing this particular 100 meter square. Now first is whatever is given that we will write, that is length, breadth and height. So as it is a cuboidal hall, what will be the formula of total surface area of a cuboidal hall? That is 2 times length into breadth, breadth into height plus height into length. So 2 times length into breadth, that is 15 multiplied by 10 plus breadth into height 10 multiplied by 7 plus height into length 7 multiplied by 15. So that is equal to 2 times 15 multiplied by 10 is 150 plus 70 plus 7 multiplied by 15 is 105. So 2 multiplied by adding all these 3 we will get 325. 2 multiplied by 325 we will get 650, and the units are in meter, so it will be in meter square. Don't forget to write the units. Now here this total surface area is including the bottom also, don't forget that. So we have to subtract the bottom surface area, then only we will get the total surface area of the painted. So bottom is not painted, so area of the bottom will be length into breadth. What is length? 15 and breadth is 10. So 150 meter square is the surface area of the bottom. So now the painted surface area will be total surface area, that is 650 minus that area of the bottom, that is 150. That will give us 500 meters square. This is the total surface area which is painted. So now what is the given to us? 1 can of paint covers 100 meters square. So how many number of cans will be painted, will paint 500 meters square? So the formula will be area to be painted, that is this is the total area to be painted, divide by area painted by 1 can. So total area to be painted is 500 meters square and area painted by 1 can is 100. So we will get here as 5. So 5 cans. So total number of cans required is 5 cans to paint 500 meters square of the cuboidal hall. Question 6. Describe how the two figures given are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? So two figures are given. One is of a cylinder and one is of this is all the measures are same. So this is a cube. So what is the thing that is alike is the height. Both are having 7 centimeter height. So similarity will be both will have the same height. So what is the difference here? Difference here is one is cylinder and one is a cube. Now first what we have to find out is the lateral surface area. So what is the lateral surface area of a cylinder? First we will find out that. So radius is having, that will be equal to, so lateral surface area of a cylinder formula is 2 pi RH. So radius we have to find out because diameter is given as 7 centimeter. So radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter and height is already given, that is h. So now we have to find out by putting the values into the formula. 2 multiplied by pi value 22 by 7 we have to take, multiply by r is here 7 by 2 multiplied by height, that is 7. This 7 will get cancelled, this 2 will get cancelled. 22 multiplied by 7, 22 multiplied by 7, that will give us 154 and the unit is in centimeter. So it will be centimeter. So lateral surface area is 154 centimeter square. This is also area, so it will be centimeter square. Now we have to find out the lateral surface area of the second figure, that is a cube. So for cube the side is 7 centimeter. So what is the lateral surface area formula for cube is 4L square. So 4 multiplied by 7 the whole square, that will give us 4 multiplied by 7 sevens are 49. 4 multiplied by 49 is 196 centimeter square. So what is the question asked is which box has larger lateral surface area? So cuboidal, so this cylinder will have 154 and this cube will have 196. Hence cubical box has a larger surface area. This cubical box has a larger surface area. Question 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. So metal sheet is there, and from that a closed cylindrical tank is made. How much sheet of metal is required? So the metal sheet will be required for the surface area of the tank. So first we will write out the information that is given to us is radius, that is equal to 7 meter, height is equal to 3 meter. Now total sheet required for that particular closed cylinder, closed means it will be covered from top as well as bottom. So we will have to find out the complete surface area. So we will use the total surface area of a cylindrical tank. The formula is 2 pi r plus h. As it is a closed cylindrical tank and we have to use the metal sheet for this complete tank, that is why we are using this formula, that is total surface area formula. Then 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r is here 7, then r plus h, 7 plus h is 3. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 22 multiplied by 2 is 44, multiplied by 7 plus 3 is 10. So it is 440 and the unit will be in meter square. So 440 meter square of metal sheet will be required for a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter.